Welcome to the new and improved onsemi interactive block diagrams. Designed with you in mind, this tool is here to make your design process smoother and more intuitive. Let's dive right into it. First, let's navigate the new IBD selector. With intuitive drop-down menus for solution and solution subgroup, finding what you need is easier than ever. The recommendation feature displays the 4 most popular block diagrams dynamically, based on overall popularity within the selected categories. In the diagram, orange blocks represent onsemi's portfolio, while white blocks show products offered by third parties. Click on any block to explore different taxonomies and you can find various products recommended by onsemi in each category. Select any product number to visit the product page, or open the datasheet directly from the button next to it. Hover over the Tools button. Similar products links to Product Recommendation Tool Plus, helping you find alternatives easily. System Solution Guide takes you to the related guide. View Taxonomy displays a parametric table of the entire onsemi portfolio. Compare provides you with a table view of the product specifications, with links to download datasheets and CAD models. You can even personalize the rows for easy comparison. You can download a worksheet with the block diagram and product tables. To build a personalized bill of materials, check the products of your choice. In the worksheet preview, you can see your selections. Once you have everything you need, you can download your own personalized worksheet and explore all the details. You can even get an editable document, if you log into your MyOn account. So don't forget to sign up and sign in. When you select a block in the diagram, you can also find all the related technical documentation below. Expand the selection and you will see the list of available documents, from application notes, datasheets, and white papers. Evaluation boards can also be found here. Let's open one to see more details. Other resources like trending guides and blog posts are just a click away. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial on our new interactive block diagram tool. We hope you find these features helpful and intuitive. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to our support teams if you need further assistance.